Hey everybody, and welcome back to Writing Automation Scripts. Today we're on a new website, but very similar to last time. This one is Yellow Pages. So as you can see here, I'm looking for plumbers in Glendale, California, and we just want to get the top plumbers. Just like always, I'm going to start by opening up Automize. So we're going to hit F12. That'll open up DevTools, and then I'm going to select Automize over here. And then, let's see, same thing as usual. What we are going to want to do here is find the items. So it looks like in here they are. And it looks like, all right, but then there's more. And then these are down here. I guess it's a little tricky. Oh, actually, I see. It looks like these are like ads. So we actually probably don't want to worry about those. At least we could, but in this example, I'm not going to. So similar to last time, it looks like we're just going to come in here. Let's click on this. It looks like .iy is what we're going to go for. Let's see. There's 7 other IYs. That doesn't seem right because there are clearly more than 7 elements here. So what are my other options here? Same thing, same thing, same thing. Okay, it looks like Automize might not be able to help us here. Let's see what these say. It looks like this says FRE. Interesting. But it looks like we could probably just take V card. 61 others. Interesting. Okay. So, sort of similar. Um, Maybe we want class as result up here, and this is 33 others. Okay, this is probably right because interesting. What are the 33 others? So let's copy this, and I'm gonna go to the console, and we're gonna take a look here. So if we do query selector, just returns it first. We want all of them, so we're gonna do that. So let's just take a look here. What are we getting? Okay, I see. So this is every single result. Um, and down here, yeah, it looks like this is gonna be every single result, which is fine. We can work with that. I said we don't want the ads, so if we just assume the first, well, let's not assume anything. Why don't we just write the script? So to do that, I'm going to copy this. Let's go to my script. And here I'm using VS Code to make it more clear. Put that right there. So that will give me all of my parents. Now what we want to do is parents.filter. Okay. And this would be some parent here. And also we're gonna say parents. So basically we're gonna filter off the ads here. So let's get rid of the ads because we don't care about those. So how do we determine whether or not this is an ad? Let's refresh. If we come here, it looks like paid listing. If the class says paid listing, we probably don't want it. So just I'm gonna grab the class list dot value here. So we're gonna copy that and let's see what that says. Yeah, so it says paid listing dot includes, okay, paid listing. It says true. Okay, so what we were gonna want is if this parent if this parent has a class list that says paid listing, we are going to not include it. So we're going to say return false. Otherwise, we're going to return true. Um, we can simplify this by just returning not this. So here, hopefully this makes sense. We are saying if this does not say paid listing, keep it. Otherwise, get rid of it. And let's check to make sure this actually works. So if I just paste this in here, we have 34. Nope, looks like that did not work. Um, let's see, why is this? Oh, I see. This is interesting. It's because we are getting here. I can demonstrate here. Whoops. Also, let's get rid of this so we can see better. In the Elements tab, what we're doing here is we are selecting this V card, but the whether or not it's an ad is actually up here, right here. So it's the parent, okay? So if I show you here, is there a way I can show? Well, I guess if we did parents 0, that's the V card. What we need to do is parent element, and then that will give us this, and then it'll return true or false. So parent element. Okay, if we try this again, there we go. Now we only have 30, and the first one is here, and the last one, I mean, there's 30 of them, so here we go. So we successfully got just the elements we needed. So it was a little tricky having to use the parent there, but that's okay. Then let's, I don't know, let's just refresh here. Let's start, go back up to the top. Let's come up here. I remember our parent is this V card thing here. So we want to get the title. Let's click on that. H2 span, that's fine. We're going to get the inner text. All right, copy that. And for now, I'm just going to throw that right there. And then close this, come here. We want the phone number and phones. Let's get phone primary as well. That looks good to me. And let's get the inner text there as well. So now I can copy this. All right, and same as before, we're going to return our object. Phone would be parent dot this, and the title so is parent dot this. All right, and then we just map it with our mapper, and this is our result. So now if I come here and let's clear this, we can close Automize. Let's just clear the console too to make it more clear. So now it looks like, boom, there are all of our results. We can see here's our phone number. There's the title. Looks like interesting that Roto-Rooter is like 6 times in a row. Is this correct? Oh, yeah, it looks like that is correct. Oh, different phone number, different one. Okay, and then if I were to go to the next page here, and we pasted that script again, there's another 30, right? And we go to page 5, right? Paste this in here. Boom, there's another 29. And I could just copy this, right? And then I could just throw this in my script or whatever. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this episode. If you have any comments, be sure to leave those. Any feature requests for Automize, you can leave those in the comments as well. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.